Okay, hello YouTube. So this is the scenario. You're going to do some dep work or some studio work, some session work. You've got a song to learn, but they perform the song in a different key to how it appears on the record. So this is just a really quick video to show you guys how to really quickly change the pitch of an mp3 track, so you can then play along in the key it needs to be for the work, using a free bit of software. It's very quick, very simple. Okay, so in this case I'm going to be doing some dep work, and they perform Valerie by Amy Winehouse. The original is in E flat major, that kind of thing. Now I know that the band I'm depping for, they are going to perform the song in C. So in order for me to rehearse along to the track, I'm going to transpose it. Now, just a word about transposing. You kind of need to know the key the original track's in, and then the key that you're transposing to. And what you want to do is you want to use as few steps as you can. So sometimes that's going to be obvious. So if you've got a track in B flat and you want to go to A, you want to go down a semitone, because that's going to have fewer sort of artifacts when you do the pitch change. What you don't want to do, obviously, from B flat go up 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 semitones. No, that would be stupid. Okay, so today we're going to go from a song that's in E flat, and you want to put it into C. So obviously what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down from E flat 1, 2, 3 semitones. Okay, what I'm not going to do is go from E flat up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, that would be stupid. So yeah, so when you do the transposition, you know, you can go either way, but go through the fewest steps you can to get to the desired key. Okay, that's probably obvious, right? Okay, I'll do the Audacity bit now. Okie dokie, so we've got a fresh desktop here on my big monitor. So what we're going to do is we're going to fire up a piece of software called Audacity. Okay, and this application can't be opened. Yes, it can. So this is a free bit of software that you can download. I'll put the link to this in the description. And the other thing you'll need to be able to, if you want to export the file as an mp3 file, you'll need the LAME, L-A-M-E, mp3 encoder, which you can also be downloaded. And there'll be instructions either on the Audacity website or the LAME website to tell you where to put the library, so this guy can see that and then export your file as an mp3 file. Okay, so the song that we're going to be transposing is Valerie by Amy Winehouse. So I'm going to do some dep work, and I know that they perform Valerie in C major, and I know that the original version is in E flat. Okay, so what I'm going to do is they need to transpose this from E flat to C, and you just need to know the most basic of theory. So from an E flat to down to a D is one semitone, D to C sharp is another semitone, C sharp to C is another semitone. So I need to come down by 3 semitones. Okay, so I go to Effect. There's lots of interesting things here, and these all come with Audacity. Okay, I think Audacity will also find various other effects that you may have installed as VSTs or audio unit plugins. We want to change the pitch. And I think you have this option. If you know, you have this option here. But the option I'm going to use is just this semitone value, and it's actually set to -3 semitones, which is what we want to do. So obviously we don't want to be 3 semitones, because if I'm in E flat, that's going to go to F, F sharp, G, right? We want to come down, okay, by 3 semitones, and we don't need to worry about this. We can have a preview of that, and we can do that, but to be honest, use high quality stretching. To be honest, just for rehearsal purposes, all I do is change this. Click OK. Bump, 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 bump. Okay. Now I don't want to break any YouTube rules, but I don't think my speakers are on, so I don't think we can hear this. Yeah, the speakers are on. So Amy there is sounding a little bit strange, but obviously because we've transposed her down a little bit. But essentially now that song is in C, so I can then rehearse the C version of this song ready for the gig. So if you want to make an mp3 of that file, export audio, we could select everything and export selected, or we could just select a little part and export that. But we'll export the whole thing. Export audio. Let's call it Valerie in C onto my desktop. I've got the lame mp3 encoder set up, so I can do an mp3. I can tell it. That's quite high quality, but that will do. I could for rehearsal purposes, I could probably come down a bit, but let's leave it there. It's going to my desktop. Save. Let's call it Valerie in C. Okay, there we go. It's writing that to my desktop. Dum dum dum, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. This would go obviously quicker if I chose a lower resolution. This is kilobytes per second. Right, now it might not be on this, it might be on the other desktop. Yes it is. So let's just move this, yeah, so there we go, and then we can preview this. Yeah, there we go. Okay, good. And then we can open that in QuickTime Player, iTunes, Vox, VLC, whatever you've got going on, and there we go. So that is how we transpose a track very quickly and easily using a free piece of software. Okay, so there we go. Am I going to get into trouble with YouTube by playing this in the wrong key? I don't want to breach any copyright.
Well, sometimes I go out buzzing and I look across the water and I think of all the things what to do. In my head I paint a picture. Since I come home, well my body's been a mess. And I miss your tender hair and the way you like the dress. Won't you come on over?
So there we go. So then you get the idea. Open the mp3 track, play along, rehearse it, get the feel of the song, get the song structure, tempo, get those chords in your head. And then you should be good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. By way of a coda to this video, I mean this isn't a learn a song video, but just in case anybody wants to learn this song in C, the first chords are C major 7 going to D minor 7, and then the next bit, let's just check my cheat sheet. That's an F, going to E minor, and then in the end of the kind of chorusy bit, check my cheat sheet, up to, and it goes to G, and then G7, basically like that. Yeah, so it's relatively straightforward. Yeah, C major 7 to D minor 7, F, E minor, and then finishing on G. Okay, but I mean there are other videos out there that teach this song. That's just this song in C. Okay, cheerio.